Hello, this is Roger from CFS. I would like to introduce you to this course on how maintenance and sanitation affect each other, as well as to learn about the importance of building a good partnership between maintenance and sanitation departments. Actually, the role of the maintenance and sanitation department is closely linked together. In their daily work, they have many overlapping tasks. For example, they all need to lock the equipment safely before work. Their work will affect the efficiency of production startup. Whenever necessary, maintenance can help sanitation to clean sensitive equipment such as electrical box. And sanitation can also perform some maintenance work like gasket replacement. Overall, sanitation and maintenance need to work well together to make each other successful. How does sanitation affect maintenance? First of all, we need to consider the impact of water in the cleaning process. In wet cleaning, water is essential. However, it probably causes the most headache for the maintenance department. Because we will often find that water intrusion into sensitive equipment and make it rust. It will also get into the lubrication of the bearings, which cause lubricant loss and increase equipment wear and premature failure. So what can sanitation do to avoid this adverse effect? Firstly, sanitation can clean and sanitize sensitive equipment carefully, then wrap it up to avoid water as much as possible. In addition, cleaning personnel also need to check and identify whether the seal is in good condition or need to be replaced. Moreover, it is also important to train sanitation personnel on the awareness of water pipe usage, not pointing sensitive equipment directly. Besides the impact of water usage, sanitation may also cause damage to the equipment during cleaning operation, such as disassemble without proper tools or fail to place the disassembled parts properly, which could lead to equipment damage. In order to avoid equipment damage, factory shall provide the cleaning personnel with appropriate disassembly tools, or even better, the equipment shall be designed to be disassembled without tools. Shelf or carts should be provided to put on disassembled parts. Finally, it is important to note that the sanitation crew needs to be aware during the operation that his or her job is not only to clean the equipment, but also will have an impact on the reliability of the entire equipment, production startup time, maintenance costs, and the final production operation. What else can sanitation crew do to help maintenance? That is to find the equipment damage or wear and inform related departments. Let the maintenance fix the equipment in time. Please think about whether your factory has relevant communication mechanism. Given the impact of sanitation on maintenance, how does maintenance affect sanitation? In many cases, maintenance work is urgent and messy, and if not managed properly, the operation may even lead to product contamination and food safety problems. We will explain from several points to understand how to help sanitation to ensure food safety from maintenance perspective. First of all, maintenance department will be involved in a lot of sanitary design work. For existing equipment, it can be reviewed according to the sanitary design checklist and prioritize to improve the equipment one by one. For new equipment, make sure to coordinate with the relevant departments for hygienic design review prior to purchase. In many factories, safety guards will be used. So, is the current safety guard used in your factory easy to remove and clean? Is it possible to consider using a toolless disassembly type of guard with magnet interlock? In fact, every maintenance operation will have an impact on the cleanliness of the equipment, such as whether it is continuous welding or whether the hole is sealed, will have an impact on the future sanitation. Let's look at the management of maintenance tools. To prevent the maintenance tools from becoming a source of contamination, dedicated maintenance tools should be provided for the high hygiene area, and tools in the low care area should be stored in the low care area. If there is area shared tool, ensure that an effective tool and transfer vehicle cleaning and disinfection procedure is in place. Tools in different areas should be stored in the area, and the storage cabinet should be kept clean and in good order. Finally, maintenance tools should be kept clean at all times. Before operation in the high hygiene area, maintenance tools should be cleaned and disinfected again and put on a sanitary surface. During the maintenance operation, if the tool is contaminated, such as put on the ground accidentally, it should be cleaned and disinfected before use again. What should maintenance personnel pay attention to before and after operation on the production line? Before operation, put on proper GMP protection, apply safety logout, remove the protective cover, and place it on the appropriate shelf instead of on the floor. If you need to lay on the ground, cover the ground. Disinfect the maintenance tools before use. More importantly, after the maintenance operation, maintenance personnel need to determine the level of cleaning and disinfection to ensure that product will not be contaminated. If it is a minor repair operation, you can spray alcohol disinfection directly. For larger repairs, we recommend to use Red Tag program here, which allows the equipment to be cleaned after maintenance. First of all, maintenance department labels the repaired equipment and informs sanitation and production departments that the equipment needs to be cleaned before operation, and describes the maintenance work they have done and what sanitation is required. Then, cleaning personnel receive the instruction to clean. After the completion of the cleaning, quality department should check the equipment before the equipment can be released into production. Cleaning, inspection, and the release of the equipment shall be recorded and signed by maintenance, sanitation, and quality assurance. The work of the maintenance department and the cleaning department is dependent on each other, and success can only be achieved if both sides have a good partnership. Both work has a critical impact on food safety. If the factory can establish an effective cooperation culture, it can control food safety risks effectively, carry out efficient preventive maintenance, improve the overall equipment efficiency, and ultimately achieve a win-win goal. Thank you for watching. Please go for these contacts for more information.